What is up, YouTube? DB Productions here. We are outside of Area 51 Fireworks here in New Hampshire. Sorry, I forgot. They do offer wholesale here too. We're gonna go on in and take a look at what they have and all that. All right, guys. So over here is their shells. That's a good price. Excaliburs are 87 bucks. That's actually good for retail. But yeah, all of their shells are over here. Those are good. I'm hearing these are really good too, but oh, 69 for Quest. That's 12 pack though. Look at this assortment. It's massive.
You don't even have to do anything else.
Yeah.
Because you're the whole time.
Oh, it's over here. This is all their stuff that's like, how much?
$940
Holy,
for that big one.
holy moly. This is all their like, I know.
What does this do?
It's a big giant, it's 2-inch. It says 3, but it's actually 2. Holy moly. Look at that thing.
207.
Got green willow.
Oh, I want these.
Awesome.
I want these.
Those. Sorry about my camera, it's kind of shitty, but I know. Some shells. I don't know if I'm gonna give you guys a full tour. There's some 500 grams down here. Another aisle. Over here we have all the rockets and Saturn missiles. We got more 500 gram cakes. Over here is the start of the 200 grams and then another wall. Hey, look what they have here. And then the rest of their 200 grams. And then they have all these assortments. And then we get into the Roman candles and novelties and fountains and all that stuff. So, yeah, that's pretty much a quick tour. But yeah. Alright guys, so they have some case specials over here. Which is, we did take advantage of them. But they're not bad pricing. Like first series number 2. That's 6-1, that's 85.62. Quick getaway, 4-1, $62. Gatekeeper, they have some assortments, they have shells. They have a lot of stuff. Even got some Nishiki Blast shells, wicked good. We ended up going with, we got, oh, Crossbow Attack. That's a 4-1. And then I got the Horror Series number 1 as well. But he is pulling it out now. I honestly didn't think I was gonna buy anything, but alrighty guys, so as you just saw that nice little store tour, wasn't much, but I hope you enjoyed it. I have a lot more videos that should be coming out very soon in the next 2 months. We are 60 days as of the recording of this and release day, I think. Until the 4th of July, the big 250th anniversary of the U.S. So we are getting really pumped up for that. Yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. DB Productions out.